Lola, good evening. Hi. Wawa. Tupiin mo yan, baba. Tupi, come on. Tupiin mo, tulungan mo si Wawa. Thank you for the heart. To those sending the hearts, thank you so much. Sapat na sa akin. Thank you. Itagay mo dito. Hi, hello. Hi, Mike. Thank you so much. Good morning.
Uy, dyan lang. Ganon. Padanon.
Thank you so much po. Wag na, doon na lang. Ayaw na, no. Dito, dito. Oh.
Ano, mama si Jayla?
Going home na. Thank you so much for 4 people here. Oh. Tulog ka. Behave.
Uy! Uy, maradag ka!
Thank you, 7 people. Hi, Dennis.
Home na
Deb.
home! Home ka na,
Come on,
Jayla!
guys. Comments are free. Don't be larky. Don't be larky. Don't be larky.
Hi!
Hello, yan. Agagab, si Ashu. Kasi, baba.
Uy, Jayla! Home na home! Home!
Ang kulit.
Home, may going home!
Going home. Hala na. Nandiyan na, mahaslog ka. Nanggigigil ako talaga.
Talaga, hindi
Makito, makulito. Diba?
Hi! Hello!
Hello.
Hello.
Wag, makulito.
Hello!
Ayaw na. Bibing! Hi, Charlie. What is your job? My job is a BNS. BNS. Hey, Zainab. Hi, Donnie. Oh. Gusto mo pala yung babang.
Uy, bugo. Maramig.
Thank you. Classic K from Donnie.
Uy, nani, hindi lang. Oy, go na.
Thank you, 7 people.
Kaya tamaan. Mamay, saksakaman tabi. Ma, itit daw. Ma. Uy, nagdalag si Ma. Mama na, hindi lang mga ipit.
Ano mo?
Si Jayla.
No, Jayla. Nakalive si Lola.
Mama, ipit. Sabi ni Mama.
Matanggal naman yun eh. Uy, dapat na dun. Ay, nabiyab ako na ano. Inihita mo. Alright. Nano, Jasmine kita. Nano? Jasmine na dat. Wala. Meron. Thank you 10 people. Thank you so much. Double tap your screen, like and subscribe everyone. Thank you darling. Hi Rihan Ali. Rihan Ali. Hello. Wait, where's the ano? Na. Ah, kay mas ingong ka. Oh my God, na nangyari sa imo kay mas ingong ka. Gabriel, ibutan mo na dito, ano mo, ang Jordanan. Thank you so much, 7 people in the house. Ay, naku, nanggigigil na ako. Nanggigigil na ako, labang. Oh, baga, bantay mo si, ano ha? Sapat na sakit ang nalalaman ko. Lemon man ano ko, ano ko na pang vlog ng sabay.
Lemon ka sa ano? Manisa?
Kaya nga ni kanina.
Hindi nag-ready.
Yung coffee ko. Thank you, RB. Ano ang ulam nyo? Dinali?
Ang dara ni mama.
Ngayon pa?
Karang tita Sheila.
Wala na.
May yung ganda ko sa rin. Binatang ka mo sa rin.
Dinutang sa ayan ka? Malinigin niyo ha?
Apo.
Malinigin eh?
Apo.
Ano yun? Inutuan sa dik?
Kalaki.
Ha?
Kalaki.
Kapapay? Thank you 13 people. Thank you po. I want to the kill, but I want toyo. Sana may toyo. I like toyo.
Ano ito yung pala dyan?
Paborito ko to. Thank you 22 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you pa. Wow, you have gorgeous. Really? Gorgeous unforgettable. My goodness. Nice figure, Rinaldo. Thank you so much. 17 million. 17 million.
Ito dito si Jella Haya.
May stress si Gab. Mahulog ka na. So, tingnan ka. Ayan, gusto mo man yung palakan. Mahulog. Ba yan? Nag-uyag siya.
Hindi mo ko gini.
Ay!
Hayo!
Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Thank you po. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Pay-pay mo. Pag na ako din nakakain si Daddy.
Ano nagaya? Di ba yung kari ka mahali? Patayin na ito! Oh. Ren?
Thank you so much. Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Brandon, Phil. Hi, Brandon. Thank you, Brandon. How are you, Brandon? Oh my God.
May sawsawang kasampita.
Ha?
Para ka pa sawsawan.
Pagsawan? Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Oh my God. It's frozen.
Nilugasan mo ito.
Ha?
Tinugasan mo.
Ano?
Tinugasan mo.
Nagatan. Hi, Brandon.
Not open.
Hi, Georgian.
Georgian.
Baka lang sa itong kay Arating Anos lang ako mag-ano.
Hindi mo binakal dito.
Kami plaza.
Ah,
Again naman.
oo. Pagpira yun. Paras kami sa, ano nga, kita nini.
Size. Sabi.
Para riyas ito sa ragdan.
May extra Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes. Sapat na sa akin ang malalaman ko. Sapat na sa akin. Bang! Yadi ka man. Yadi ako, yadi ka man. Ilan ang darama? Dinali.
Sa mundo. Nagsarayaw.
Nagsayo tapos may dara pa ulo.
Wala mo nagpakaong.
Georgian.
Muna lang yapitan na to da?
Hindi na. Oo, ay, ikaw na bago na, kundi ka makaon. Luto, luto. Paano ka maluto ako? Paano?
Oh! Butangan mo na lang.
Ha?
Yan.
Ano daw? Ang galing naman.
Ihawakan lang, di ba?
Hala. Very good. Thank you, Golden Blade. Thank
Papa
you so
na, Jayla.
much. Why wow? Why wow?
Alam mo, yung ating pila sa yung sabi.
Ha?
Ito, magagila mo ko natin.
Ay?
Ay, yun.
Wara, in-install ko na ano, nawaran account ko.
May tingin mo ka dito, water.
Water.
Water. Hindi mo mo lagi.
Thank you pa. You are wow. Why wow? I'm not wow.
Papi, meron ni baby mo. Halig didi.
Na!
Nasa dali nyo da.
Papa,
May
yan.
video. Ah.
Sino, meron ni Jayla.
Magod yun sa ila.
Katuwad mo. Straight line. Na. Ate, kinakadal ang ganto niya ah.
Video.
Jayla?
Ah, lagot ka.
Ay.
Nariyan. Ada naman. Ada naman yan, mamay.
Huwag mong kamutin.
Wara, dede.
Nasinto ka na?
Wara.
Ako na, kaya ko.
Doon na.
Ano mo, nawaran account mo dito.
Nawara ang account mo. Sabi ko man ako nagpay. Naglulo ko ng FB Live ko.
Hindi rin.
Doon na.
Nagdala ka lang ka?
Hindi, ma.
Kumaon ka muna.
Nagkaroon na ako.
Wala ka pa sa lubong.
Parang
Doon na nga.
Yan, hindi ko na matapos.
Dito yung laban mo. Dito ka kay data. Oh, dito ka kay data. May
Ano ba naghuhudam? Dapat lambingon mo ako.
Lambing naman.
Sabihin
Bata
naman
mo.
ko.
Len Luis, bonjour come. Bonjour como alibu. Como alibu.
Agay.
Guapa, how are you? I'm fine. Salvador. Salvador.
Bandong.
Salvador.
Buri ika niya.
Nalimot ako ng password. Nalimot ako. Wait lang.
Pinasok mo yan. Yan. Ay. Pinasok mo yan.
Nalimot ako.
Pinalitan mo?
Wala nang password.
2,000.
Como
2,025.
alibu.
Bago kumain. Puro bango.
Wala ka fingerprint. Pumudo ka.
Ayun, kabaga doon. Ako ba ng...
Ate, ano yung tubig?
Hoy!
Ano mo sa kita na may toyo?
Gusto ko suka, pero suka. Suga yan eh.
Ha?
Kaguga, suka.
Gusto ko may toyo. Okay, bakit ka toyo? Uring yun. Ay, uring. Minsan
Hoy! Didi ka on!
Ano ka na? Kaya ate isang bulo.
Oh! Hoy! Kumaon ka na!
Papa na. Bisang? Di gamay mo dito kanina.
Sa likod ako.
Oh, dito ako sa likod. Sa may pade. Ando ko sa likod. Oo, pade ko dito.
Pandunga ako.
Hulog ka!
Hoy, ibaba mo nga.
Hulog ka!
Ikaw, di ka nasalihan. Ha? Bakit burrito ka? Ha? Bakit burrito ka?
So tell me where do I start? Cause it's breaking my heart. Oh, what a letter. Maybe my love.
Di ko na nabukasan. Ano? Sige ang perindot.
Try mo ano?
Ako daw.
Try ka lang.
Masusobrahan niyo.
2,000.
Thank you so much, 14 people.
Ako 2,000 po rin.
Baka mo na, kain na.
Ako daw.
Ang daming people.
Ano yung lagay mo?
2,023.
1,023.
Ay, ano mo ulit?
God.
Okay. Sino na talagang password?
Di ko nga natandaan eh.
Ulit
Ulitin mo nga. Wow, ang galing. Password ko nakalimutan. Pero dito sa ano receiver, nakalimutan ko
Pero ate,
din.
ito na ano. Suka.
Puro limot ba?
Tapos ang tawyo. Ay, ang suka. Ay, ano, uga.
Alam ko pa, birthday ko eh. 03.
Mali na naman. Bahala ko son.
Tapat. Hindi ko kalimutan.
Pati, patalong ka pa nun? Pag ma-type.
Ba't ganun?
May
Love you. Why you love me? Bon appetit. Thank you so much.
Tandaan mo yun ah.
Okay.
Paano naging 2023 yun?
Kaya na, dapat 2004.
Ah, yun yung Jayla. Alam ko kasi.
Badig sa diyo.
Wait, pumuyo ka. Mamaya, ano yun ang password niyo? Di mahak.
Alam mo na.
Balik ka man, te.
To parli, franque, no, I don't speak. Hi, Belly. Thank you, Belly. Musta, Belly? Thank you so much.
Harap man sila. Kung di ka lang nagmumodul kay Kuwaw.
Ikaw na ako
Game over. Why game over? Thank you for the thumbs up. Arnaldo Jose. Thank you so much. Oh, sino yun? Pang... Ah. Oy, oy. Oy, oy. Oy, oy. Oh. Hello, madam. Hello. Hello, Rosie. Oh my God, Siko. Siko? What Siko? What Siko?
Wala. Tapos video, bulong. Hindi sa bulong, video.
Sikis. Ano ba? Siko Sikis.
Kaya kaya pa mayroong kirog sa mo. Tarere ka.
Ah.
Hindi lang sige, puro tarere. Hello? Puro tarere ka. Taas, yeah. Pabayaan mo naman kaya ako nakiwas. Ako nakiwas.
Sikis. Oh my God, Sikis. What Sikis?
Talaga yun. Papakaon na.
Kalma mo lang. Anak ko. Wala. Kiwas.
What Sikis means?
Ha? Sige, papa. So, Kamahawa, sige ni Papa Dili.
Nakakaunin ako sinano. Na malamig ko. Nakainom mo na ako. Sino ito?
Oh, kuha dito na phone!
Ah. Ah.
Walag.
Baba ka.
Walag ya. Subo ko. So, tarinig ko. May luwayang pala.
Thank you, 19 million. Sorry. Sorry, man. Hi, Tom. Tom, wife. Ano yun? Thank you, 22 million in the house. Thank you so much. It's Tad. Tad, what's Tad?
Walagan. Dali, walag man.
You and I, Sikis were nice. My true name, Thaddeus Todd. Okay, where are you from, Tom? Thaddeus Todd. Where are you from?
Ano?
Madumi yan.
I'm living in Philippines, Bicol province, Philippines. Todd is my name, Port Charlotte, Florida. Nice to meet you, Todd. I am Uzbek. Uzbek. Same here. How old are you, Todd? Why sad? Why sad, Todd? Why sad si Todd?
I don't know.
Walag. Walag video. Music yan.
Why you sad, Todd?
Nahulog ka man, Korakday. Ako sila mumalan.
Sino? Ano ko lang, panimpla.
Pinata. Hotdog. Ha? Ha?
Hardy Marshall, hi.
Okay, maluwag?
Ha, bon?
ka lang, pag-kirit mo, tapos ID mo, ewan.
Can you give me jacket host? Jacket po.
Sige mo. Ha?
Where are you from? RD Marshall.
Okay. Ha?
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Yeah? Kita man niya, edit. Ano, magkano ka sa ting?
Dating dikit. Ah, okay. Dating dikit ba? Okay, sorry. Thank you for 17 million.
Ito ka, mama. Ay, tamahan mo, sige, sige, babay. Mama. Baka, mama.
Hi, greetings from Mexico City. Thank you, Enrique Martinez from Mexico. Thank you for joining po. Unique Wonders. Hi, Unique Wonders.
Pas, ikaw pas. Siya pas. Main-track!
What is the meaning of?
Main-track! Pas mo kailan mo. Saka ako natin. Ipas, diri hatabon. Sida ako. Sabi, irog sila ako. Ay,
Hello, where are you from, Unique Wonders?
Tagatanungan mo. Tagatanungan ka kay.
Get the karaoke on.
Ikaw mo na magkape. Ha? Magkape ka mo magkaroon na tubig.
Ako na, Steve.
Mamay? Pag nagkasing ka sa
Oh! Nagtiro, pas! Pas! Be, no! No! Wala ka ni Kuya Ben, ho.
Hoy, di rin magsakat. Hindi kong ikaw. Tumbangan ka, Sol.
Oh, pas, 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 pas,
Oo, no?
pas.
Hi, Jovan. Jerome Ponce. Thank you, Jico.
Ha?
Good morning, family. Hi, G. Tari. Good morning. Good morning.
Mapalit?
Good evening here.
Ito mo isa? Kita? Yan si Tito Boy, ba? Palit na dito sa inyo ng pag-ibig. Uy, tapos mo na. Makakagito mo lang.
Daddy, si Buwa!
Hindi ka magluwas.
Daddy, Buwa, ho! Daddy, Buwa!
I'm here.
Ikaw,
What happened?
ito, Wawa, ito si Wawa, Wawa.
Oh, ngayon si Wawa. Sino Wawa ni nahanap mo? Aber?
Nagluwas kita sila. Mauna sa luwas ako. Ate May, may intro ko sa iyo. Ate May. May intro ko. Ashley, si Raya.
Tapos yan ba ako, di ba?
Iwan ka nang wala walang dahilan sumama sa iba. Hey, Biglon! Hi, Biglon! Thank you so much, Biglon. Thank you, Biglon. My God. Thank you, Biglon.
Dirty, oh, dirty. Tignan mo, dirty.
Karibok sa Philippines.
Hoy, paano? Pasok, bawal ka maglabas. Sinahan na ulit.
What happened to the Philippines, Maribocan?
Agad, hoy, pasok, pasok. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Ay, ay, ah!
Galit ka.
Nana!
Bakit ha?
Uy, bawal na po yung...
Sino?
Ay, na! Ay, ay, na! Mataas ka.
Ay, ay. Sino ano? Wala ka shoes, slipper. Wala ka slipper. Kuha ka dito slipper ka, mama mo. Dali, come on. Apple daw. Ano yung apple? Apple? Ah.
Tara na, kunin natin, kunin. Kuha mo na yan. Kunin natin. Yeah! Yung tukoy mo da. Oh!
Sulod ka na. Sulod na ka na, buran. Sulod, sulod, sulod. Thank you po. Russell, the living at the train station. Living at the train station? Johnny, anong lugar yan? Bicol po. Bicol province po. Pilipinas. Super chats, super stickers, membership are available with the one. Tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you so much, Big Lon. Hi, Sir Warren Rat. Sure, I think that is the worst part in cooking, and after dinner, washing up the dishes. Yes po. Washing up the dishes. Yes. Water rat. Thank you so much. 6 people. Someday, someone's gonna love me. People. So tell me whether it's time, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna live. Thank you po. As long as if you're going and your father figure. What father figure? Russell, what are you trying to say your house? Russell? Yeah. What do you mean? Thank you for 10 million. Jesus. Hi. Thank you 14 people. Thank you, people. Roland Maharaj. That's Roland Maharaj. Ano ka ba ya doon, Gab? Gab. Marami ko na yung... Yung mo daha, kay araw mo na nagtipig ako yung araw mo na yun. Hoy. Saya. Hiswag dito. Welcome, my dear darling. You are very beautiful, even more beautiful than the girl of my dreams. Oh my god. Really. Thank you. God bless, young lady. Thank you, James Jacob. Thank you for fighting for a lifetime. It is Sandy there. Yes, Sandy here. Golden Blade. Dana John. Yeah, Dana John. Golden Blade. George. Beautiful. Good morning. Hi, George. Naderation. Nicole Lazar. What is the name? Good evening. Thank you, George. Good evening. Thank you, my God. 20 people in the house. Thanks a lot. 22 likes. 22 likes. Thank you. Hi, Sheryl Fart. Sheryl Fart. Yeah. Zam. Hi, Zam. Where are you from, Zam? Ay, nay. Gab, ay, ito na hinatag sa inyo sa school na uniform.
Ito ba sa bag?
Ano ito, ano siluto mo sa aga, ha?
Wala ba?
Mulos pa. Naguran baga. Fourteen people. Thanks so much. Hi, Michelle. Bulias. Michelle. Andre, Sheryl Ohm more. What it means? Amor? Amor.
Ano na?
Alin ko daw muna yung nagabutay. Saksak ko dito. Aray ko. What? Fighting for lifetime. I'm from Serbia. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Gulay. What? He was just visiting my country. Very nice country. Once I met a guy from Philippines and he was a nice person. Wow. That's great to hear from you. Fighting for a lifetime. Valmermon for what? Andre, Sheryl, napakaganda. Nasa likod. Nasa likod. Hindi mo na kailangan ng ophthalmologist. Gumaganda na agad ang paningin mo. Ay, grabe naman talaga. What a word. What a word, Andre. Andre Jtex. What a word. My God. Kuya Gab. Thank you po.
Ano tagi mo?
Ang bag na ano. Ang sarap na bag pa. Ang kulay black. Ano ka daw? Ang black.
Kuya? Balik mo. Rico. Thank you po.
Pada dito ang sa lamisa, ang tinapay na garden. Oo. So tell me where do I start? Ay, ito na ano.
Naman mo na comfort lang.
Why does it hurt? It's so maybe my love will come back.
Tembe. Oh, ibig. Wala ako dyan.
Dapat insasarado. Ikaw,
Sorry.
sorry. Dali na. Aram mo na nakalive ako. Aram na.
Sorry.
So, kukuhaan mo. Dili mo na yan, no, didi. Kaya balik-balik ka. Mag-formal ka, ha? Mo dahil, hinulog mo na yun, no?
Kasi adiyo.
Busy ang person.
Okay.
Thank you po. Very busy, busy. Thank you, 25. You seem like a very nice person too. So I wish you a good day and all the best. Thank you, fight for the lifetime. Sa Bicol po kayo, yes po. Grace Party. Ricardo. Homework time. Yeah, Robin. I have so many things to do. Homework time. Oh my god. So many billion people.
Tingnan ka ba agad? Agad.
Is that all paper you've been doing that on? Yeah. Hello again, Mike and Venus. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, Mike and Venus. Hi, MJ.
Sunod. Sunod. Okay.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Wala nang pamay. Isang paano?
Did you just break it that fast? So I need a break. But the break is different the break than the work. Oh my god. I need to be busy. MG, did you enjoy traveling me today? Hi, Mike and Venus. Thank you so much. You know, we in 2026. Yeah, but I need to change 2026 than last year because you know what, Golden last year is very difficult for me. Most of the heart, you know that it's really difficult to handle the heartbreaks, the heart, my God. Yeah, it's really, it's really very difficult. I need to be strong by heart. Oh my God. I don't want to remember the words makes me feel so, you know. You'll be fine. Yeah, I will be fine. Hello, hi Mickey and Venus. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you from, Bicol? Bicol, Sorsogon po, Sorsogon, Grace Party. Are you fine on New Year? You will forget about that. Ah, yes, I forget about.
Hi!
Hi,
Basta?
okay lang. I forget about what happens because the words is really yes.
Pamulis naman.
What you say?
Bakit may extra ka na supply? Na nawaran mga supply.
Can you see hi? Hi. Hello, this is a beautiful friend here. This is Somba meat. Golden, it's only because there are no one right now, yes. Thank you so
Live
much.
yan?
Yeah, halay lang sa YouTube.
May ano ka, may extra ka na supply ba?
Wala, nakihiram lang nga ako. Kaya kaya doon ako nakikisuklay sometimes.
Kasi nga, ano, nalibot ko na dito kanina kung bala ko sinali. Tapos wala man si Ate Virgin.
Gayon. Nice to meet. Yes. So I need to, Golden. I need to be strong. That's why, and the other, that's why the past, the newbies, I need to. I'm so busy because if I have a free time, a lot of, one overthink in my mind. It's not good for me. Most of my health, the mental health is not good for me. So that's why I need to stay strong. Life must go on, whatever happens. Sometimes I cried. It's normal to cry. It's normal to cry. That it's normal, but if I cried, nothing changed. Everybody cry. Yeah, everybody cry. But if I cry, nothing changed when I cry. The pain is still there. So just oh my god, I don't want to cry, I don't want to cry because I need to be strong. I need to be strong, but sometimes I don't want to cry. Nobody wants that happen. Yes, nobody wants to me. Yes, nobody. But sometimes, oh my god. Oh my god. It's good to get it out. Yes, it's really good. Yeah. If you got it going with the yes. It's to cry if my family see me crying, so that's good for me. Hi, life for a lifetime. Thank you. Nobody likes to cry, but sometimes you have to. Yes, yes, that's right. My God, Golden, you make me cry. Oh my God, what if they see me crying? They think I'm a strong one. I didn't think about that. Thank you so much, guys. 12 people in the house. Thank you. 33 likes. I wasn't trying to do that. Cheryl, it's okay. You have a good man out to bring you all the joy and you deserve. Marco. Thank you, Mike. Manuel. It's really, diba? Just say something. Fly in your eyes, yeah. Oh my God. My God. It's sometimes even busy. That's can't resist the pain, to feel the pain. Hi, Hola ni star, hola. Kuya Ian, oh, I'm also crying. Kuya Ian, thank you, Kuya. Na, just ano, mixed emotion lang. Siguro, I just, what is happening? It's happened. Sometimes, sometimes getting hurt, it happens. Not, ano, not intentionally, it's happened. Like, I just had a regular talk. Now everyone is crying. Huh? Everyone is crying. Maybe Sunday is a sad day, but the one of the most I confess my pain is when I'm going to the no when I'm going to the church. I confess a lot. I cry there, so that's why it helps me to stay strong. And whatever happens, it happens. Just need to move on and much better. It's coming. Oh, the Supreme Lord, Ian has arrived. I'm unwell. Mike, I won't like anyone here. I won't like. Thank you, pa. Man, what do this? Man, what do this? Man, what do the guys say? I look at the pain in a zero as a good thing as a whole, because if we don't feel pain and sorrow and we are not saved, couldn't know what happiness is. I know. Yeah, zero is as a sorrow. It's a sorrow. Thank you guys. You know, it's whatever happens, even if as maybe the hardest part in our life, we always choose just to stay strong. Whatever happens, be strong, looking forward, nothing change. Yeah, this point, stay strong, whatever happens. Yeah, the truth room in the church. Yeah, that's why every day I'm going there, I confess a lot. I confess a lot there. I talk. Oh my God, I deserve this sometimes. I always said, I deserve this, I deserve this, or I need to, I need to experience this to be a strong person, want to be a better person, and I accept if God's will. The bullies here also, Mike, watch out. Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Fred. Hello, Sir Fred. Oh crap, I'm in trouble again. You're in trouble? Hi, lady. Hi, Ray. You future self already do this. The last year, every day is oh my god. Every day is like just a butter, butter the stress. You just catching up, yeah. My bare table is getting out of control. Your table? Thank you so much. 8 people here. Thanks a lot. Hi, good evening. How are you? Are you glad the power finally came back on the... Yeah, hi, Rick. Thank you for joining here. In the other words, he owes me a lot of bear. She don't know what the tub is. What the tub? But you can change your future how you want it to be. Yeah, darling. Hi, Manu Yadav. Are them your thoughts? Are them your thoughts? Your thoughts. What? Golden what? Maybe Mike needs to get their sonar to take care of Cheryl. Sir Brad, Golden, no worries. She has a good man now to bring her the happiness. She deserves about change her life for sure. She owes them. Thank you, Mike. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, Kuriput Buang. Thank you so much. Look at her smile. Sir Brad, what you talking about? Oh my God! Look, Ashley.
Tita, tawagan mo 5.
Oh my God! Say hi, say hi. Bolero talk.
Tita, tayo na.
Can you say hi? Hi. Flying kiss. See me, kiss me. Ara okay.
Ha, tayo ko 5.
Wara sabi please.
Tita.
Higil ako.
2, 5.
Ay, goodbye na. Hello, hi. Hi, Bunso. Thank you, Kuripot Puan. Hi, my Mom Sheryl. Why, Mom? Ezra. Hi, Cheryl. A little messy. Hello. Summer. So busy tomorrow. My gulay. Oh.
Tagilid mo ba kay Pakalidio? Ayaw pakato dito kayo. Dito mo to. Hindi ka sa liyo. Hindi ka sa
Hello,
wala.
guys.
Oh my God. Gab. Sus talaga. Thank you. Ganun.
Ano yan? Ano na? Ano na? Gusto mo, okay na yan? Ay, makalaw. Hindi yan, ikaw, iunat mo. Bye.
Kuya yan, good job, Mike.
Nakasaksak.
Hey, Cheryl. Little messy. Oh, I see it. And it's the air in the family, yeah? Yes, Golden, she is. You have them to Cheryl, yes. Len Louise, hi, Golden. He has me now. And I'm showing her a real man truthfully. No lies, no secrets, only pure honesty and love. Thank you, Mike. Ezra, with you doing beautiful. Kuya Mike. Ay, Kuya Ian. Good eye, Mike. I think you quiz in the mind. Hi, Sir John. Thank you so much, Sir John. Sir John. What is he? She don't need no one right now. Oh my god. Sir Fred, Mike Golden, he's a friend, he's a very close friend on my channel. So maybe he just a very what do you call this? Wait, she. Are you really sure? She already say they are in relationship. God, wait, really? Are you really? Yeah, Golden. Ganzeno 82 Xiao. Wait. Waiting too late. Thank you, Golden. I don't know what part good for you. Yeah. But I'm hope Mike is I thought he was just talking like the other. Yeah, I like the other. Golden, don't worry, Mike. Whole treats are good. Sir Fred, uh, Golden, he's one of my so close friend here on my channel. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah. Thank you, Golden. He knows them. Who is Mike? Sir John. Mike is Sir Fred friend. Wishing all the best. Nosy. Nosy. Classic is Mike. Golden Visa, we all want the best for Sheryl. She is an amazing woman and has been hurt before.
Stop. Wait.
Yeah, thank you, Kuya Ian.
Bibig pa ako, boy. Sabihin mo na, boy.
We hope that Mike can help and give her what she needs to make her happy. Thank you, Kuya. Okay, I know this already, but thank you. You know this already, but thank you.
Apply na baga ako, boy.
Golden, you have my word. She will be very happy, and I will respect and trust her like a lady deserves. Thank you, Mike. A lot of things of the show what you're saying. Hello, Jeff. Hey, Kenneth.
Sayang.
Well, he's a lucky man. Then, as long as you're happy po. Oh my God. Sir John, thank you so much, Sir John. Thanks a lot. Hello, how are you, sir? Robert Wingate. I'm fine po. Thank you for joining po. Hero Show.
Ko lang.
Harry Buzzing. I hate to see you hurt. I'm not hurt. Good morning. Chicks.
Grabe nakapagbigat pa, boy. Ako, walang pagkakita. Nakabas, boy. Dapat mo pagkat sila sa ano.
You're right, Colin. But I have honor and pride myself. On my honesty, I will give a life most only game of she needs this on her life. What? Spanking back? Spanking back.
Grabe pala. Grabe ko din naman ito. Wala.
Hi, Mark. Thank you po.
Ganun na to si Boy. Ay, tama pala niya. Parang school.
I wishing you have the best in your guys' story. Thank you, God. Then. Cheryl, it's very nice to see you have your close friend that cares about you. This special friend, and I'm glad you have her as your friend. Yeah, I'm thankful I'm friend of mine. Call them in some of friends here too. So will you be leaving us? No, Sir John. No, I'm still here. This is my Sir John. No. Oh my God, Sir John. Do you like being spanking? Ray. Sinata Khalifa. 23 people. Are you mom? Yes, I'm a mom. Edwin. Hi from Kansas City, Missouri, USA. Hi. Yeah. Maybe they will do dream streams together, yes, sir. Streams. Hey, Edwin. Long time no see. Long time no see, Edwin. Edwin, are you on Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao? I think I'm in Luzon. I'm Bicol Province, Philippines. It's part of Luzon. Luzon, yeah. Hey, Fred, are you brother? You're Edwin is your friend. I think it's a trusted one. So. Fred, I'm cold. 12 degrees. 12 degrees. James. Hello, beautiful from Denver, Colorado, USA. Thank you so much, Sir James, for joining. Sir James. Many James.
Wala mo ka pare. No, kada man naman ako ba?
Di ba ka tidak may charger mo?
Um, are you writing me a letter? Letter. No, it's my word. Tomorrow I need to write. Tomorrow I need to work tomorrow. So I need to work early tomorrow. That's why I'm working. Letter. Crap, it's snowing again here, 26 degrees outside. Outside. I don't feel bad for you at all. It's only about 70 to 75 here on the mountain. Wow. My God. Allah. Like, not snowing here. Yeah, same here. Not snowing. Fred, that hurts, brother. That hurts. Hurts. It's really hard. Cause tell me whether it's dark. Sunny. Five. Oh my God. Nice. Barbecue weather right now. Thank you for joining, Pop. But I'm sure it does. It hasn't been in tank top shorts and flip flops. Flip flops. Enjoy, Fred. You only live once. You only live once. Edwin, where are you? I'm an artist. Pa, pa, Pennsylvania. Exactly. I wish it was snowing here. Oh, Sir John. He's in Kansas City, Missouri. 90, I'm in Kansas City, Missouri. Hello from Germany. Hi, Martin. Martin Hubertus. Where you, sir? Sir John living in Australia. So maybe Australia is like a summer feels there. Too hot weather. Damn, it beat me. Oh my god. I'm in Australia, friend. Yeah, Sir John, he living in Australia. Domingo Diaz. Hi. Korea, Ian. Sorry, friend. From Korea, Ian. We had 4 inches of snow last year that it for this winter so far. My gula, Ian's on a roll today, no matter what channel is on. My god. Good job. Told you Ian's fast. Oh. Martin Hubertus, who in Deutschland. Yes. Sorian is so fast than Sir Fred. Okay, Cheryl, you have plenty of protection here. I will spend time with my wife. Okay, thank you, Sir Fred, for joining here. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Enjoy. Take care, guys. Thank you, Sir Fred. God bless. Fred, I was trying so hard to beat him. I was typing too fast and hitting my button too early. Hey, William. Bye, sir, Sister Fred from Kuya Ian. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, guys. Sister Fred. Ang bad daw. Diri na gaano na nagsusurat ako ga. Time for me to Time for me to go. See you all later. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you for joining. Hope see you next live. See you later. See you again here. Thank you po, Sir John. Jonathan Vasquez. Hi. William De La Cruz. Hello. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing live. Fred, I bought a shell for my truck and now looking for a kayak on Facebook Marketplace for 800 or less. What is 800 or less? Jimmy Arves. Hi, Jimmy Arves. I'm leaving. Okay. Okay, take care, guys. Take care. So tell me where to start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't Yes, use a kayak can go for 150 to $400,000 on Facebook Marketplace. Huh? Oh my God, expensive. Don't wanna let her go. You will never get back. Some days. Edwin, this is perfect time to catch a deal on one. Keep looking, one will pop up, and then negotiate with them. Yes, but now is the time to buy everyone what's to sell in the winter. Like, I'm not really. Why? Sana all. Sana all. Yes, but now is the time to buy everyone wants to sell in the winter. I need a boat for my flooded street. For a flood street. A boat. Oh my god. Oh, thank you, 53 likes. My god. Uh, the one I'm looking at is around 800. I want one that track good in the water. Water. What? And instead of running up the steps to pee, now go out into the street. Oh my god. Hi, Ronnie. Hi, hello. Aray ko. Wait.
Gab. Ano si Gab?
Yada.
Mabang. Ano ka
Yada.
na?
Wait lang. Gab. Oh. Gadi sa luwas.
Awan.
Kai. Nanap ka ni mamay. And that video was hilarious he made. Which one, Mike? Mike, that exactly that the neighbors do. Neighbors do. Alright, to pee. I'm glad no one timed me out yet. Thanks, Kuya Ian and Kuya Mike. Hi, Ronnie. Thank you, Ronnie, for joining. Sorry. To pee, not to pee. It's okay. Wait. It's okay for. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, insert. Hello, insert. Sammy here. Brian. Thank you, evening at Jubam. Evening at Cheryl. Ayan na naman. Jubam. Ronnie said. Ronnie said hi, so it's okay, Lord. Hello po. Where and O are you? What O means? Where and O are you? Ronnie, hey, I learned the protocol from Kuya 5 channel, Kuya Ian. Thank you. I'm Philippines. I'm Bicol Province, Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. Thank you, 55 people. Likes. So tell me where the words are, it's waiting. Yes. Okay, nice. Where are you from, insert? Where are you from, insert? Brian. Kevin Red. Hi, Kevin. Salamat for the jacket host. Welcome po, Ronnie Villanueva. Ronnie Barnes. What? On smiling pin. What? Brisbane, Australia. Thank you for joining. Sir insert Adixon Lucero. Hi, Adixon. But my wife is from Boracay. Wow, you have a wife. Thank you po. From Boracay. Beautiful Boracay here in the Philippines. One of the beautiful place. Yep, 22 years. Wow, so amazing. 22 years. Sana all. Sana all. Oh my God. Thanks for the below. Welcome po, Sir and Sir. I heard Bicol is beautiful too. Yes. Many places beautiful here in Bicol. Guys, I'm going now. Take care everyone. Bye. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Thank you for joining here. Bye-bye po. God bless. Take care. Have a nice, wait. Good night. Bye, Kuya. My Kuya Ian from Insert. Cookie. And see you tomorrow, my birth camera friend. Haha. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Sapat na sa akin. Hi, Golden Blade. Your smile is so refreshing. Thank you, Golden. Doc Makay. Oh my gulay, you live. Yes, I'm doing live. Doc. Doc Makay. Oh my gulay. White mini tiny little bitty. Huh? Hexagon. Why you were writing? I'm writing for tomorrow. I know. Yes, I'm doing live, dog. Hexagon said, a white mini teeny little bitty. Lol. Little bitty. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. The little print size. Little print size. This week, I'm busy this week. How's your weather? How's the weather? The weather now is cool. Calm down. Good job. Good weather here now. Thank you for, oh my god, 60 likes now. I didn't know having likes. Thank you for the likes po. Nalalaman ko, sapat na sa akin 22. What is it? Bad typhoon? Yeah, we bad typhoon. What? Yeah, bad typhoon. Yesterday early morning. Too much windy. Sorry. Try using that for space. Yeah. I'm always. Oh my god. Aray. Kuya Dre in the house. Hi, Kuya. What are you doing, Jollibee? I'm writing for tomorrow. For this month. I mean, not only for tomorrow, but for this month. Reporting, consolidates data, coding, documentation, so lots. Ate Sheryl, busy ka ngayon? Yes, busy me now. Busy me ngayon. Busy me now. Oh my god. Even if I'm busy, I need to be beautiful. Sup, Mike? Ano yan, te? Mat mo ba yan? Hindi. Alam mo, sulat eh. Bobo sa mo. What means soap? What means soap? What's that, Kuya? Dre, what means soap? You always say that. It's like a high. Oh my god. Soap is slang for what? Okay, what's up? Okay, what's up? Okay, I know now. Zup. Kuya Dre, zup. Now I know. Lesson, ano ngayon? The lesson for today is the zup. Thank you for the likes, guys. Beautiful is calm and passionate. Ano daw? Kuya, just another cold and snowy day here. For oh my god, earlier just started again. Oh my god. You know, you're a man when you have a craftsman tool decks in your living room. Craftsman. God. Jollibee soap. Where, Kuya Dre, where's my Jollibee? Yeah, Jollibee, please. I want Jollibee. Kuya Dre, Jollibee. Please, please, please forgive me. Yeah. How's your day, Ben? Day, Ben is good. Rock, how did you know I actually have a three large husky toolboxes there? Chicken joy and pine and ano, spaghetti. Chicken joy, mango pie, and mango pie, no, mango, what do you call it? Sa mango. Oh my god, I forgot what's that. Yeah, the mango. Chicken joy, mango, and empanada, and fried chicken. Oh, husky Lou. Kuya Dre. Mickey Mason. Hi, Sir Mickey Mason. Thank you, Sir Mickey. Thank you for the likes po. How the heck do you get the airplane out of the house? Doc Makay, your comment is for Sir, for Mike. The wings come off. Hi, Mom Cheryl. Hi, making my son. Why calling me mom? Making my son. Thank you for joining. How are you? I am from Brazil, Edgar. Hi, Edgar. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you so much. Hi, Kashi Kataria. I'm speaking to Kashi Cheryl. Ah, okay, sorry.
Cheryl,
Yes?
may saday ko tabi, ay, ang charger, ang saday lang.
Ansaday lang? Nano na saday lang?
Ang sa Infinix.
Type C?
Infinix.
Ano yun? Ansaday lang? Ang Type C?
Bako tabi yan na type C.
Yeah, diya. Type C. Dire ini. Dire ini. Pura.
Salamat ka lang.
Sorry. Happy Classic. Okay, okay. Sir Mickey, what are you doing, Mickey? What's up? Zop. So. Oh my god. Okay. Do you know Brazil and TV? Yeah, I know Brazil. Edgar, I know Brazil. I know Brazil. I know the country of Brazil, but not doing. I've never been there. Oh my God. La, la, la. Yeah, what are you from? Where I'm from, Philippines. I'm from Philippines. At the end of the video, I saw the tall bikes and I thought, must be single. Huh? Doc? Your comment, Doc, is for me or Mike? I just finished. I just finished eating some pork chops and eggs for breakfast and been watching snow here this morning. Oh my God, America is snowing. You live in Manila capital, no? I'm living in Bicol province, Philippines. Iligar. Dog, you guess it, but not much for much longer. Yes, babe. Dog? Huh? Dog, dog? Dog, dog. The snow in Florida is rare. My God. Snowing. I need to put more videos up on my little channel soon. Ah, okay. Classic Cheryl waiting for a ring on her finger. Oh my God. Good evening, sis. Good evening to all of your friends. Hi, Christy. Guys, Christy, she's my sister. Doc. Christy, she's my sister, Doc. Mike. Mickey. If I was single, I'd consider marrying Cheryl. Oh my God, Doc. Doc, I hope to make that happen soon. I'm going over in just over 10 weeks. Are you a mom single? Bakit? No lang nagka-time. Salamat. Sorry, it takes type error. Hi, Chari, Christy, Kuya Dri. Thank you, Kuya Dri. Christy, she's my sister. She deserved an expensive ring. Expensive ring. 1 million worth of ring. 1 million pesos. The ring worth of the ring. Classics to see Cheryl or what? Oh my God. Always haggard. Don't deal. Thank you, Shuma. Don't deal. Why don't deal? Oh my God. Thank you pa. 12 people here. Ay, gulay. Classic, I was just on Iloilo in this past September. Wow, really? Just last year? Doc? Wow. Dog. Classic, I was just in love for those. I told you, Cheryl. Ah, yeah. You have a great life, Doc. And here in and Philippines. Hey, Kuya Julie from Christy, from my sister. Didn't I? Didn't I? You have a great life here, Doc. Thank you for 10 people. Thanks so much. Isn't that there a volcano erupting somewhere over there? Yeah. Main volcano is eruption. Erupt. Erupt. Eruption. Main volcano here in Bicol. Always busy, Kuya Dre. From my sister. Which Cheryl? Classic is boyfriend. Wait, Cheryl? Classic is boyfriend? Yes, Doc? I subscribe to your channel, Ate Christy. Kuya Dre, where's my Jollibee? Wow, you have to announce this. Kuya Dre, Jollibee. Thank you so much, Kuya Dre. Promises. Oh, shit. If ever you're in my secret, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my... Thank you so much. Cheryl also deserve a new house. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, Mickey. My house is Thank you so much. This time I love you much better. Chrissy's relative mo. Doc, Christy, she's my sister. Real life sister. She's my sister, Kuya. Ay, Doc. She's my sister. Miguel. Good morning, Flaquita. How are you, Flaquita? What Flaquita? Sister from Mickey. Thank you, Mickey. Okay, I see you and here in Christy video. Yes, she's my sister, Doc. Sure, going to get a new house and maybe travel some like to Switzerland. Oh my God, Switzerland is one of my favorite place. Really? Wow, Mosta Christy. Ate Christy, take me to Jollibee. Yes, Marco. Oh my God, Switzerland. Kuya Jay, I want Jollibee. Classic. Where are you at? From Doc. Hello, I am from Argentina. What city is that? Hi, I'm from Philippines. Juan. Juan Limos. Juan Limos. Living in the Philippines po. This time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time. Thank you, 61. Ba't di nagdadagda? Na-stuck up na. Thank you for the likes. Okay lang po, Doc. Okay lang. Gab,
Ano ba?
ramen. How's your papa been doing? My papa, my father is sleeping. He's sleeping now. Yes, Christy is my elder sister. He's my elder sister, Christy. Classic, I'm down in easy jersey. What means easy? Uh, what is that easy jersey? Excuse me, but really you are very cute. Oh, thank you. Mickey, my father is sleeping now. Doc right now, an artist. Pennsylvania. 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 Oh my god. Your family has young Jean Cheryl. Why? My sister looks young. Yeah, my sister I think is of 50 plus something. Doc, I'm originally from South Jersey, Winslow Township. Thank you so much. 62 here. Classic and the come down to the south. I'm warm here. Wow. Lucky Dre. Kuya Juice, he's so lucky now. Warm. Seryoso, 40 mo. Ilang taon sister mo? 56 I think. She's 56 years old. Can you pose with your hair? Trigger? Oh my god, Trigger, you always like my hair. Like that. You always like my hair. What about my hair? Why you like my hair? No, yes, 56. He is just 56 years old. You have a boyfriend? Yeah, I have a boyfriend. 63 people hit the likes. Thank you so much. No way. Why no way? Doc, she's 56. Oh my god. Maybe she's already 56 years old. Me turning 41. Christy, 56 ka? Oo nga. Ano ba yan? Baka nga 57 na siya. Maybe 57. Christy. Oh, where's Christy? Where's my sister now? Yes, she's 56 years old. Maybe 57. Maybe 57. She's the oldest. Oldest sister. Where's Christy now? Oh my god. Kahit ano po, Dok, basta po galing sa iyo. Ate Christy Jollibee or ano? No, hindi yan si Doc. Si Kuya Adrian. That's Quizzy Christy is my younger sister. Oh my, Kuya Dre, ako ang nagtatanong. My God, I'm asking you. Oh my God, Kuya Dre, Jollibee. You have a unique beauty. Thank you, Juan Lemos. Juan Lemos. $64 likes, thank you. Oh, thank you for the likes, guys. 65 likes. Thanks so much. Jollibee when you want to go there. I want to go to Jollibee. Sorsogon. At Sorsogon City. How about Jollibee? When? Tomorrow. Sorry po, namali ako. Kuya Jay, kahit ano po basta galing sa'yo. Says, tinatanong ka ni Doc kung ilang taon ka na daw. Kung 56 ka na ba talaga. Thank you, 66 likes. Thank you so much. I'm 58 years old. Kaya lang parang bata. Yes, oh, 'di ba? Doc, my sister's 58 years old already. Oh my god, not 56. Oh my god. Oh, 'di ba? She's 56 already. I'm sorry, don't leave me. Yeah, this will look even great. Even great. Hi, Golden Blade. Thank you for joining, Golden Blade. Digidam, dam, digididididida, digidididida. Golden. Yeah. Thank you, 50 million. Sure, you're speaking Bicolano. To Cristia. No? I'm speaking English. Yes. Oh, yes, I'm speaking Bicol. Tagalog, Bicol. I said, tinatanong ka kung bakit ilang taon ka na daw. That's why. You know what, Doc? My sister is already 58 years old, not 56. Wow, she's my ate for real. Ate Christy taking me to Jollibee. Oh my God. Okay. User of foreign H1264. Ang hirap ng basahin. I'm seeing a slight different language and text, Tagalog or Bicol. Yeah. It's ilang taon ka na. It's Tagalog. Hori. Oh, I know that. Yeah. That means, how old are you thou? Doc said. Doc asking your age. Lol, he just now figuring that out. Say you. Is that Tagalog? It's Bicol. Sa iyo, it's Bicol. But if it says sayo, it's Tagalog. If you say sa iyo, Bicol. Sayo is Tagalog. Sayo. Sa iyo is Bicol. Bicol words. Mark Galbert. Hi, Mark Galbert. Mark Galbert. Adre, I'm familiar, yeah. Wait.
Bye. What's up? Wait lang.
Bem? Bunso? 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 Papay nag-ano si Papay.
Man? Papay?
Ano pay? Ano pay? Pay? Pay?
Ano papay?
Ano pay?
Ano kay nag-ibi ka?
Ano pay?
Ano? Ano?
Ano pay?
Ano kay nag-ibi ka?
Nana?
Ha? Ano? Ano kay nag-ibi ka? May good ka? Ha?
Balingan ko lang ang siki. Ang siki.
May good ka? May good ka? Ano kay nag-ibi ka? Ano? Kulugan si Kima? Ano naman?
Ano pay?
Ano? Ha?
Kulog. Sige. Ha?
Ano
Pay?
pay?
Ano kay nag-ibi ka?
Kulog sige mo. Ha? Ano naman? Ha?
Wala nang kulog.
Wala na kulog? Ano naman?
Ano kay nag-ibi ka? Nainom ka tobe? Nag-inom ka?
Ayun naman na tubig pa yun.
Inom naman na tobe. Naingkod ka man na, mainom ka tobe. Ha? Ingkod naman na, nag-inom ka tobe.
Sige mo na tayo.
Nag-inom ka? Ano naman kay nag-ibi ka man?
Ikaw naman na.
Ingkod naman na, nag-inom ka tobe. Ayun na.
Ang tubi. Sige mo? Ha? Sige mo?
Patuloy tayo. Ay, napag-iwagan si Kimangat ka.
Kung ka?
Hindi na ako nakamaan. Naginop ka? Okay, nagibig ka man.
Pumasok ito.
Ika nagibig ka pa eh. Naginop ka? Naginop. Naginop ka? Ha? Na naman, kaya nagibig ka. Ako lugo lang si Kana. Okay na pala, maayad ka. Di mo pag-isipon na ano, maayad ka. Mahali lang yun na si Kim mo. Kaya makadagdag pa yun sa inyo sa ano. Nakusog ka, mabalik yun nakusog mo. Mahali lang yun nakulugsan si Kim mo.
Ako daw.
Ay, pag-iwag niya.
Ihilot ni sila. Pagka.
Oo, kanina.
Kukulong.
Si Buki ko dili pa ya.
Luwayo lang. Ito naman yun. Isog mo siya doon yung pagkaw.
Napugal na ako.
Ayad ka sa
Ano kaya?
Ito yung tulad bulong.
Ano pre ba din ito na? At ang sasabihin mo.
Pinawaran. Naras ka makay pinalo ni din bulong.
Hindi kanina da pagpakanibing.
Ano oras ito?
Ito matandaan ko na oras ka.
Aga pa ito.
Diri niya na nahapon yan to. Ang sabi mo ba niya ito? Kaya siya pipinita na siya. Sa ninihilap natin sila, doon-doon pa natin sila, di man nakulugan sila.
Nulot ni sila. May pagkutin.
Hilap na kanilipin. Para mapagkulugin.
Ang pagkulong.
Kulugan.
Yup!
Ayaw, mamulay na ako. Ako na kaya. Kaya mo yun.
Kahit pala si Tita. Kahit pala si Tita.
Yung mo pag-isipan na di mo kaya, kaya mo yun. Mahali mo yun. Mahayag ka sa ulo. Tutok ko lang ko. Pag nilatahan sa isang kulog na kulog. Kamalit sa tupili mag-usod-usod na sa kulog mo. Nakusubon sa tuan-an. Dosage, mga naan man sa tuan-an. Tapos santa-santa na yung na-plus ni, ay na-plus ni Ate Sheila. Ha? Banyo Santa? Nagda ka na. Nagda.
Hindi ka pa eh.
Nagda ka na.
Sibog kikaw. Sibog kikaw. What?
Hinihog na lang yan. Pero kanina hinihog-hirog mo mo. Hinihog pa ni Ate Sheila.
Kulog pa papay? Kulog pa?
Kaya paaso na yung mga bulong niya. Ano na?
Ganda sila yung lasa pa.
Marida na sinunong mo, babe. Kara ko yung Jerome yun na nagnyiririt ng kunyada. Kaya putan ko na oras na. Halimot pa na ako sa tabong ko ito. Nagbakal simbulong. Tapos pinainom ko sa kapan.
May mama.
Wala na sinunong mo. Doon ha sa may karakter yun.
Hindi.
Hindi ano. Hugot ko rin. Ito na.
chat ko na lang.
Ito daw.
Naka-live ka pala.
Chat na.
Nakalagtaw.
Paano ka online?
Online.
Tayo mag-ubali na guli. Alas bibi naman ako, kaya naman tabulong.
Pwede.
Sasipi.
Kaya ka din. Hindi mo trauma din.
Para magawin.
Wala yung naduwanin kayo ng din.
Salman lang.
So lang. Nagabali niya sa ro.
Sumadal.
Para sa'yo naduwa sa kulo.
So lang.
Kaya trauma doon. Tulong agad ni Papa. Kaya tulong na.
Ayun ta.
Ay, nasang ko kutsara.
Ay naman ano yan.
Mainit, biyo lang. May tubig. Naman mo yung papayo, nasa kulog mo. Sige. Ini, Ramadol. Nasa kulog mo ini. Ano na.
Ganun mo.
Naman doon. Para magtumay-tumayan. Para maka...
Ito ba?
Thank you, 31 people.
Matapa ka? Matapa ka? Di man.
Pagda.
Ay, marusta ka?
Hindi.
Man.
Thank you, 40 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Luway lang sa pagin.
Manda ka na. Ha? Parang di ka na.
O, di nagkukulog. Ready ka. Eh, pag ikukulogan ka, grabe di ba? Nagkukulog. Matamaan mo pansikin mo.
Paghugas. Paghugas.
Kung sino nagsuka po.
Nilog ko pa, nagbabati ko pa ng
Hindi ka sa iyo.
hibi. Pagod na ako nga niya si Ben.
Sulusulo pa niya. Sulusulo ba? Kasi na yun.
Parang hindi siya naman si.
Masabi mo.
Kanina nag-aaral yung mga bata naghanap siya ka mga bata.
Kagabi man. May bigla nag-silensyo. Ihag ko na si Raji lang dito.
Daan.
So, tumurog ka namin eskwela sa aga.
I do it once a year. Wow, Kuya Troy. Oh my God, 62 people in the house. Oh, but it's 4. Thank you so much, 62. Nakatulog na si Papa. Gawin ko na lang kamo pag ano. Gawin ko na lang kamo. Ito daw mo din ang sikop-sikop.
Din ka.
Gusto yun.
Sino? Di pa nga kayo matulog.
Thank you so much, 63 people. My jowa lives in Caloocan, Manila. Wow. Manila. Living in Manila. She living in Manila. Thank you, 70. Thank you for the 70 people. Hit the likes. $15 people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for 58 people in the house. Thank you, Paul. Stoney, you are very beautiful. Oh, thank you. Raymond, Hannah. Hi, Raymond. Cause tell me where the words are, cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let it go. Oh my God, 73. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, beautiful voice too. Voice too. Thank you to do someone who sending the hearts. Thank you, Sonaga Heart. Thank you so much. My God. Sending heart. Just tell me where do it start. Six to 6 people. She won't live there. I try, but she won't leave her father right now, and I understand that. Wow. Yes, because we love our parents. Here, Filipino, we love our parents, even if every, not, what do you call this? Maybe if we not experience the good life, and, you know, very hard, difficult, um, even if we didn't experience the good life together with my parents because of the poverty when we're young, when we're kids, they can't afford the giving us a good life, like good education, good food, good home. But we really love our parents. Our parents is our life, and our family is our treasure, priceless. That's why I can't, if someone love me, they can accept my family or my parents. Say sorry, my family is important. My important for me is my family. That's why. So thank you, Kuya Jay, for understanding your jowa. You're a good man. Bye bye, ate. Bye bye. Have a nice night to you and to your jowa, Kuya Jay. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining. Hi, how are beautiful greetings. Cesar, hi Cesar. Hola que bella, saludos. Cesar, Cesar. I'm not leaving Jollibee. Ati told me good night. Ah, okay. I thought you're leaving. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kuya Tree from USA. Watching from Italy daw. Taga-asa mo ba? I'm from Philippines, Bicol Province, Philippines. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Thank you, 50 people. Thank you so much. Hi, you're my Makian Maslog. Jollibee, ate is 4'11", same as my jowa. Is she sweet but terrible too? Yes. Oh my god, my sister is just so terrible. Small but terrible. My sister is small but terrible. Ezekiel, Ezekiel and Salmo dos Santos. Mythica Guardian. Hi po. Certified. Hi. You okay, yes. My father, he fell. He said, yeah, he wants to give up. So, bye. Thank you guys. Thank you. I need to end the live.